Hello everybody. Those who are watching this video on recording, hi to all of you. And today is a beautiful day, a beautiful gathering, and we are winding up the energy of April. Whatever that you wanted to, give, let go, release, and receive, whatever that you wanted to do for the month of regards to the month of April, we are going to do today. So the agenda of this session is going to be Ho'oponopono, because are going to do a lot of cleansing, because obviously we might have carried a lot of good energy and negative energy. So whatever that you don't want to carry for the next month, you're going to release that. So we will do Ho'oponopono healing. And meanwhile, if you are someone who is new to the term Ho'oponopono and you're not aware of what is it, because so many members joined today. So if you're not aware of what is this whole Ho'oponopono term, you can just put it in the chat so that I will also plan for a small introduction and then we will begin the session. And secondly, we will do a gratitude rampage. Gratitude rampage was something close to my heart because I think last time we did it on April 14th, and that did a lot of magic for those who attended. I think you guys know already, mostly with abundance, money flow, and a lot of things. So whatever that you spent today, uh, that is connected with the session or maybe outside, it will come back to you like in so many ways, unlimited ways. And thirdly, we will have a small guided visualization that is going to be kind of a bridge between April and May, where you visualize a beautiful, like a version of you who had experienced a wonderful month where you express gratitude, and then stepping into an amazing month, May, and to have a lot of courage to take huge steps or whatever that you wanted to manifest for the next month. And I will also host special goal setting or like intention setting session for the month of May. So that will be different. So you need not expect that today. It is all about winding up and sending so much gratitude for the month of April. And in the visualization, I will add a little bit of guided visualization for the month of May. So I hope all of you are ready, and I hope all of you are ready with your journal and pen as well. So firstly, before whatever the agenda is, we will do grounding. So, okay, only one person is new to the term Ho'oponopono. I'll just explain Ho'oponopono and then we will go with the flow. I don't want to interrupt in the middle. So Ho'oponopono is a healing modality. It is an amazing healing modality, I would say, life-changing experience you would get when you do this whole Ho'oponopono. And it is originated from Hawaiian island. Like it is an age-old practice. Like you cannot even like research like from when it has been there. Like 5,000 years, 10,000 years back, people have been practicing this for ages. And very recently, like 25 to 30 years back, it came to the world as a modern Ho'oponopono, which is called like advanced Ho'oponopono that we say. And that is available for all of us. And that is what we are going to do. And Ho'oponopono is a simple, modality. Like the way we use it is very simple, where we just use 4 statements. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And all these 4 statements, when used together, it is going to do a lot of changes in our body in your at soul level. Like you do not know what is happening in your life, but at soul level it does a lot of changes, and automatically so many shifts will start happening. And that is the gist of Ho'oponopono. And when you do it continuously, you can see amazing changes, because people's life, like it has changed a lot, like on huge levels. Ho'oponopono did so much magic, not only in my tribe members' life, but also in my life. So Ho'oponopono does a lot of wonders. And we are going to do chanting. Chanting Ho'oponopono itself is so magical. And there is a lot of deep healing Ho'oponopono sessions as well, which I offer for the community members. So first, today we will do the cleansing work through chanting. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. We will do this chanting for 21 times. And then we will do the activity. So for the activity, you'll be needing your journal and pen, where I'll give you some journal prompts and you'll be writing it down. So we will have some music to do that together. I hope everyone has enough clarity now. So let's begin. We will start breath work. We will do the grounding before we begin any work. So we will do a short breath work. All of you, please close your eyes. And I want you all to gently take a deep breath. Inhale slowly and exhale through your mouth. And if you feel like you wanted to stay more connected, you're kind of getting distracted, bring your hands to your heart. Both the hands to your heart center, and you can take one more deep breath slowly and exhale through your mouth. Relax your body as you do this. And can you do it one more time? Slowly take a deep breath, inhale and exhale through your mouth. Now I want you to slowly bring your attention to your body. Feel the connection you have with your body. Just slow down. Know that everything is slowing down in your body. Everything is completely relaxed. All your cells, your tissues, muscles, organs, bones, hair, everything is slowing down and very relaxed. And today you're going to do a lot of deep cleansing where you're literally going to release so much of negativity at cellular level. Set an intention for the session. What are you expecting from this session? And what do you want from this session? Maybe you wanted to have a beautiful start for the month of May, or you just wanted to be at peace with your life, or you want to attract lots of abundance all around you. Whatever it is, just stay connected and grounded and set this powerful intention that you want for this session, like from the session at the end of the session. One deeper breath until you feel that hit in your tummy and exhale. Gently slow down and connect with your body. Know that this session is going to definitely do a lot of energy shifts. And just repeat this after me. I am ready for an amazing shift today. And you can gently, slowly open your eyes and release your hands. Shall we all start the journaling? All of you, please take your journal slowly. You can take your time. I'll give you like 1 to 2 minutes. You can slowly take your time. And like for some, you might want to slowly open your eyes. No issues. I'll type the first prompt and then I will also repeat that. So just take your journal and get ready. So the prompt is, how was April as a month to me? How do you want to describe this month for yourself? You can write it in one sentence or you can write a paragraph. I will give you like 5 minutes. Or if you're done, please put done in the chat so that based on the maximum people who are done, we will move on to the next prompt. You can make the first prompt short because the next one is going to be a detailed one. I have posted the next prompt already here. Write 11 things you're grateful for in April. Please write it in full sentences. I'm so grateful for the abundance that flowed into my life. For example, okay, I'm so grateful that I have loving people around me. I met new people in this month of April. Just giving some examples, just in case if you have any questions, please put it in the chat. So once you're done with both the prompts, you can give a thumbs up. I think the first prompt is very simple for everyone. The second prompt I have posted in the chat as well. Write 11 things that you're grateful for in April. So whatever that happened in the month of April, for example, you got unexpected like salary hike or something amazing happened in your life. Got new members in your team who got along with you very well, or got new friends. Abundance, money flow, you had great food in this month, or the climate was so beautiful, or maybe you are someone who loves summer so much and you're so grateful for this month of summer, mangoes, watermelons, whatever it is. Just small little things, from little things to big things. You can write anything. Those who are done, you can put done in the chat, but those who are writing, please don't rush. You can take your time. You can have 3 more minutes. I think that will be enough. I'm waiting for majority of the people to get done so that we will move on to the next prompt. At least like 10 members. So if you're done, you can put done here. 8 for now. I posted the next prompt. Those who are done and waiting, you can check this, and yeah, those who are writing, you can finish and then you can check this prompt. What is that one thing you loved in April and wanted to continue in May as well? Maybe you started your morning routine. For me, I started magical mornings after so long. I think more than 2 months now, and I love this morning routine. Or you started a new habit that you wanted to continue in May as well. You started feeling like you really you're attracting abundance and you wanted to bring that energy to me. Your relationship is just getting better and you wanted to take that forward in the month of May as well. If you're done, you can just wait for a while, like a couple of minutes, and we will begin the visualization. You can close your journal and maybe you can just connect with the energy of the gratitude rampage you did right now. And people, if you're done and you did not update here, you can let me know so that I will move on. So far, I think 6 members. So including me, it's 7, 8, 9. Okay, 12. Done. So I think it's time for us to get into a beautiful portal where just imagine that you're shifting from one space to another space. Like it's going to be a portal. We will have an amazing visualization today. I want all of you, I hope the music is also good. Fine for meditation. All right. I want all of you to close your eyes again. Thank you for confirming. Yeah, keep your eyes closed and slowly connect with yourself. And just like how you did the groundwork, the breath work, I want you to do that again a little bit. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale through your mouth, relax your body. We are beginning with the cleansing because we did not do it. We just jumped into journaling. For everybody who are here, whatever you had gone through in the month of April, that is like a hurdle, hard time, or maybe some negative emotions, uh, some trust issues, feel like wondering, will this work out, kind of whatever it was, I want you to just let go. Keep your eyes closed. Imagine that you're just keeping your hands wide open and letting go from your body, from your energy, from your system. In your energetic body, in your physical body, it is just going out. It's just getting released. All of those memories in April, which do not serve you any good, it is just getting released. And to cleanse it, let us do the chanting. We are going to repeat the statements, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you, for 21 times together. So keep your hands on your heart center, like on top of your heart center, like you can keep it close to your heart. Yeah. And let us start the chanting. You can just repeat this after me, and then we will do this together. For all the negative emotions, small heartbreaks, emotional roller coaster ride, misunderstandings, failed hopes, I'm willing to release you all. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. We are chanting together from now. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Everything is released right now, and your energetic body, your physical body, it's completely new, and it feels like a fresh flowers or fresh jar where you can pour fresh water, fresh flowers in it. And so is your body, getting ready for an amazing month and an amazing energy. Think about the gratitude rampage that we did this whole month, April. You can just look at this month of April from a bird's eye view. You can look at, you can bring the image of a calendar, your phone's calendar, or a monthly calendar, physical calendar, or your desk calendar, whatever that comes in front of your eyes. Try to bring the image of that, and know that this beautiful month has given you so many amazing lessons, and just look at that like a flash, like a flashback, all the great things that happened, lovely things, and the moments that you wanted to cherish in this month. You're extremely grateful for that. And now that you're expressing gratitude for this, you are sending a signal to the universe that I am ready to receive more of this in the coming months. Again, imagine that you're keeping your hands wide open, your all the chakras are wide open to receive complete balance and an amazing energy for your entire month of May. You're ready to carry all of this amazing energy again to the month of May and even more. Can you think about the clarity you had in the month of April? What clarity did you have? Imagine every month creates a newer and a better version of yourself. So, comparing to the month of March, you have upgraded a little bit. You had become a better version of yourself. So, what made you a better version of yourself in this month of April? Just connect with that. Look at those great things that happened in this month and just send a lot of gratitude to the clarity that you had gained, to the people you had met, and the closures you had given. Certain endings might be beautiful too. Just look at those moments and express gratitude for all of them. How was your health in this entire April? Was there anything better comparing to the previous month? And if it was, can you please send lots of gratitude energy to your health? And in terms of abundance, what are the magical things happen in your life? Express your gratitude. And there are all these incidents that I am ready to receive more of such incidents in the coming month as well. I am ready to receive abundance. Tell this universe out loud that, dear universe, I am open to receive love, abundance, amazing health, and a lot more surprises from you. I'm ready to slow down a little bit. To enjoy the magic of life. Look at the month of May as magic. It's just going to bring you a lot of magical moments, beautiful things, and imagine this May sprinkling magic dust in your life. Unexpected things, opportunities, receiving love from unexpected areas, people, situations, and abundance flowing into your life, opportunities coming and knocking your door, and you using it wisely and you expressing gratitude for that. And that is coming in return because that's how universe works. And you know, you're used to this beautiful lifestyle and a never ending upgrade of you becoming a better version, a better version, a better version every single month. And this May is just going to be a much more beautiful version of yourself that has a dash of magic in it. I want you to gently allow yourself to feel all of this. And know that universe is ready to give you and you are ready to receive. It's a win-win and you're going to have a beautiful month. And whatever that you wanted to let go, you had let go already. There is nothing you wanted to bother about anything in this month. You're just taking all the good things and you're also expressing lots of gratitude for this month. And it's such a beautiful, smooth transition from April to May. Your workplace, your career, your work schedule, everything is so peaceful. The workload is so balanced. You don't even want to mention that load. Your work is so smooth, and health wise, you're just radiating a beautiful energy. You're so healthy and you're seeing so much love from all the people around you. You're manifesting lots of abundance. Unexpected money is flowing into your life, unexpected opportunities, gifts, travel. You're just tapping into a lot of magical things in this magical month of May. And with that, I want you to slowly bring your awareness to this room where you are in. As I count from 5 to 1, you slowly bring your awareness. Please keep your eyes closed. You can just release your hands when I start counting. 5, 4, bring your palms together and rub your palms. 3, 2, and 1. Now you can slowly bring your palms to your eyes. Let that energy flow into your body. Fill your entire system with an amazing energy. And imagine that this energy is also sprinkling some magical dust in your body. And you can slowly release your hands and come back to this space when you are fully ready. You can gently open your eyes and please write to me how was this session. And we will also have an intention setting session in the coming days, maybe 2-3 days. I will let you know about that. I will post on my stories also. Again, let me know if you wanted to sign up for that. And we have an amazing membership program where you can just pay 999 and access so many sessions like this for free. We will have an amazing group inside. We are building that from scratch. So we have Gauri, Roshni, and Tamil already from the previous month. Like, I mean, this month, I already feel it's May. Okay. So if you wanted to sign up for that, please let me know, and you can access new moon, full moon sessions, and intention setting sessions, and amazing sessions like this. Okay, thank you so much for writing down. Please keep writing how you're feeling. I don't want to distract. I'm just reading them now. I'll stop the music. Tears rolling down on cheeks. Felt like a moment for myself after a long month. Wow. Amazing session. Thank you. All set for me already. Yes, I just felt so much connected with this session today. I don't know. It was just so beautiful. Felt very serene and lovely. That's nice. Thank you. Beautiful energy. Felt so energetic. Okay, before that, let me just take a picture before you guys leave. Please turn on your camera. Others, those who want, those who just can take a moment, we will take a picture. Yes. Thank you, Srishti. Pooja, please come. Kirtana, thank you. I think you're in a beautiful space for the session today. Are we all ready? Can you all show your gratitude journal if possible? Because the main session thing was gratitude rampage, right? I will take a video. As you show, I'll take a video. Thank you. Thank you so much. And very soothing and calm. Didn't wanted to open my eyes. Oh my God, was that nice? Really needed this energy today. Oh, felt like I have new eyes. I'm so happy to read all of this. Oh my God, I'm just feeling new after so long because great energy, like so many people. I think after so long, I'm meeting a good number of people because my sessions went like very limited to limited number of people, and after a long time I'm having an amazing energy. And the best thing is when you have shared circles like this, like shared energy, the energy is just elevated to a different new level. You can just feel that, like, you don't even feel drained for the rest of the week. You will be telling me for sure you will have an amazing energy, because like having a 1-to-1 session or like 3-4 members session and having like 13-14 people session is definitely, you can see the difference. um Okay, I also have chakra session. We will be having at this time. It's a 7-day session. I will also talk about that. And for the members inside the community who are paying the paid membership, you guys will have some special discounts as well. The chakra session is like we will have we are having 7 chakras. So we will have 7-day session, 1 day dedicated for one chakra. What we will do is we will understand which chakra for you is imbalanced before we start the session, before we begin the session. I will create a group once you make the payment and register, and I will give you a quiz. You will understand which chakra is imbalanced for you. And every single day, we are going to do some journal prompts that are connected with the chakra and a small meditation for that chakra. It is not something regular that I did inside the Ho'oponopono healing session. It's going to be something very different and generic that is very easy for you to do. And the chakra sessions are my favorite part because it really works. If you have thyroid, I think I have already shared, like even Renuka has this story. If you have thyroid, you can work on your throat chakra continuously for 21 days and you can literally see the changes. And if you have any issues with your periods or like with your kidneys, with your digestion, you can just work on that specific chakras. And when you do that for 21 days regularly, you can literally see changes in your body. So that is how it works. So that's the reason why I decided, like, this was a sudden download for me. I was planning for inner child healing sessions, but this came as a download and I thought, okay, let me just post it. And many people were excited. I will share the details by today for sure. And yeah, thank you so much. For anything, if you want, you can let me know. And you can take a leave now. I did not stop the recording.